Welcome to the next session of Technology Innovation Series of SH Vision from Junior Labs at the Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. In the last session, we were analyzing the job market and the factors affecting the apparent slowdown in jobs. And we identified two factors. The first one was disruptive technologies, and the next one is gig economy. What is gig economy? The word gig is an interesting one. It means maybe a small performance, a small orchestra. Usually we used to have maybe in a hotel or something like that. But in our context, gig economy has got a different meaning. It means that people are moving from the jobs which were traditional to a new form of job. People are not looking for permanent jobs anymore. Or people say that we get bored of permanent jobs. People are looking for specializations, expertise, and choosing short-term work contracts which will fulfill their goals, their aptitude. There is also another downtime, which means the full-time jobs are no more present. This is also true when we look into the job market. Most of the companies are shedding their jobs, the permanent job positions, and they are also trying to retrain their staff members. These are seen whether Infosys or Wipro or all other IT companies that we see in the vicinity. And people predict that, there are a couple of studies, and it predict that by 2020, something like 40 to 50% of the jobs in US will move from traditional jobs to gig economy. And how these jobs are announced is very interesting to know, because there are a couple of websites already available. Just think about freelancer.com. They also got an Indian portal which is called freelancer.in, and another one called Upwork. Earlier it was known as Elance, upwork.com. These are the platforms where people can post their jobs, and the aspirants, the job seekers, they can actually pick up jobs and they get paid online. This is a very interesting concept. It is adopted by many of the entrepreneurs. For example, I got my experience. I wanted to start a new online portal which was called GoRetreat.com. That was a retreat booking website. In order to develop this website, I broke my project into small works and posted parts of it on some of these platforms. And I got professionals looking for these jobs or these works from all around the world. I awarded some of the jobs to few guys, gigs from South Africa, from Punjab, from Pakistan. They picked up the jobs and did their part and gave their product back to us. Finally, I assembled together with the help of a local team, and then finally produced this website. And again, I'm hosting this website in Amazon. Again, that is a cloud provider. You know that I don't want to maintain my own server. I'm just hiring a server in Amazon. And it helps an entrepreneur to start from nothing or with very little and to turn their ideas into actual product in no time. And that is the beauty of gig economy. But again, the downside, the permanent jobs, as we've seen in the past, they are going to die in the very near future, which means the new job seekers, they need to learn new skills at a faster rate, and they have to adapt to the needs of the market. And this is going to produce a lot of opportunities as well as challenges to the job seekers. And there is one more catch. There is an end of even gig economy, which is being predicted. We'll talk about that in the next session.